Hi, welcome to all my dear students. In the previous video, I have discussed about the area and perimeter and all the different formulas regarding to that. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss some of the important questions, how to solve the questions regarding the area and perimeter of a triangle. So let us start with the question number 1. As you can see in the question number 1, it is written on the screen as we have to find out the area of a triangle which is having the base as an 18 centimeter, whereas the height is 12 centimeter, and we have to find out its area. As it was being discussed in the previous section also, the formula for area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Let us mark the base and height with B and H. Nothing we have to do, we have to substitute these values properly in the formula. Like half, in place of base we will put the value of base as an 18 centimeter. In place of height we are going to substitute as an 12 centimeter. The another thing that we have to do is start simplifying it. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, and the another thing that you have to do is that you have to just multiply these two numbers. As you multiply 9 and 12, you are going to get 108 centimeter square. That's the answer of the question number 1. This is the one type of a question I have discussed. Now let us move towards the question number 2. In the question number 2, you can see on the screen, my dear students, this time they have given us the area of the triangle they have given, and their base is also given. So we have to find out the height of the triangle. We are going to use the same formula. Let us first of all write the formula. Area of triangle. I am denoting the triangle with this symbol. Everyone knows that area of triangle is equal to the same formula, half into base into height. Now this time they have given the value of area of triangle, so let us substitute that value. 420 centimeter square is equal to half base, that is given to us as in 60 centimeter, and dear students, we have to find out the value of height. So let us start transposing the things first of all. So 420 remains here only, and 2 will go in the numerator and 60 is going to come in the denominator, and the remaining thing will be the h. Let us start simplifying it properly. Let us start cancelling. 6 and 6 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and let us simplify this one also. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 3 4s are 12. So we have found the value of h as in how much? 14 centimeter. That is a second type of a question. Hope you have understood this one. Now let us move towards the next type of a question. In this question you can understand that the area they have given, so putting the same formula as an area of triangle as half into base into height. This time we have to find out the value of base. So let us substitute 300 centimeter square is equal to half base. We have to find out, so we'll put the b only. Height, that is given as in 7.5 centimeter. So let us start transposing the things from here to there. So it will become 300 into 2 divided by 7.5 is equal to base that we have to find. Now start simplifying that. As we simplify it, 7.5 ones are 7.5, 7.5 into 40 will become 300, and as you multiply the 40 and 2, you will get the answer of b is equal to 80 centimeter. That's the solution of the third type of a question, and you all have understood it also. Now let us move towards the perimeter now. Area questions, all the area type of a question I have told you. Now let us move towards the questions regarding the perimeter of a triangle. So as we know that perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of its sides. So in this particular question they have given the length of the three sides as in 2 centimeter. So we will add another as in 6 centimeter, again add the third side as in 9 centimeter. Nothing you have to do, you have to just add them. As you add all these three, you will get the answer as in 17 centimeter. Hence we have obtained the answer of perimeter of triangle. So it was a very easy question. Now let us move towards the next question, which is a little bit of a different one, but regarding the perimeter only. Now you can see the question. This time they have given the value of perimeter of a triangle, and they have given us the two values of the sides. Perimeter is given 18 centimeter. One side length is given 5 centimeter, another side length is given 7 centimeter, and we have to find the third side length, that is x centimeter. So first of all, let us write the formula for perimeter of triangle. As you know that perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of its sides. So let us put the values. Perimeter they have given how much? 18 centimeter. The three sides that they have given to us is in 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus x centimeter. So what we have to do is that we have to find the value of x here. So what we will do, 18 remains the same. Let us add the 5 and 7. It will become 12 centimeter plus x centimeter. Now the next thing is that you have to transpose this 12 to this side. Positive will become negative. So 18 centimeter minus 12 centimeter is equal to x. So as you will subtract, you will find out the value of x as an 6 centimeter. So we have obtained the value of x, another type of one question. Now let us move towards the different and very important type of a question. If they have given us in the question, my dear students, if they have given us find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose one side is 5 centimeter. As you all know that an equilateral triangle is a type of a triangle in which all the sides offer of an equal length. So you have to remember the perimeter of equilateral triangle is having the formula as 3 into side. So the value of the side, you can see it is given as in 5 centimeter. So nothing we have to do is that you have to just put in the place of side as in 5. So as you will multiply, 3 into 5 will become 15 centimeter. That is the answer for perimeter of equilateral triangle. That's the answer for the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. I hope you all have understood all the questions which are regarding the area and the perimeter of an equilateral triangle or a simple triangle. So if you are having any problem, my dear students, you can ask me. Kindly please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. And if you are having any problem, any queries if you are having, my dear students, you can ask me anytime by commenting in the comment box. Thank you very much. Enjoy the mathematics. Remember, mathematics is nowadays mathemagic. Thank you very much.